How to manage a variable product in Wcart. From your Wcart dashboard, go to Products and click Add New Product. Select the variable product. You'll be taken to the product creation page, where you can enter all the product information. Begin by entering the product title. Add a detailed product description that highlights your product's features and benefits. Next, upload the product images, including the main image and any additional gallery images to showcase your product from different angles. And add the default price. Navigate to the Variants section. Start by adding your product attributes, such as size, color, or any other option relevant to your product. Enter all the available values for each attribute. Once the attributes are created, generate the product variations. Each variation can have its own SKU, price, sale, price, stock, quantity, weight, dimensions, product image, availability status. Configure each variation according to your inventory requirements. Required. Assign a unique SKU. If required, assign the product to the appropriate category, brand, and tag. After verifying every variation and product detail, click Save. Your variable product is now live. If you need to make changes later, open the product and navigate back to the Variants section. You can edit any variation to update its price, stock, SKU, images, or attributes. Click Save to update the changes. To remove a variation, click the Delete icon beside the variation and confirm the action. It will delete permanently. Thank you for watching.